चेतन इन द कॉन्शियस स्टेट, वो कभी भी सेशन में नहीं निकलेगा. दैट इटसेल्फ विल प्रूव टू देम कि कॉन्शियसली जो मैंने बोला था वो फैंटेसी है, जो निकला थ्रू इमेजिनेशन वो रियलिटी. सो प्रिपेयर योर सब्जेक्ट्स बिफोर यू टेक देम इनटू अ पास्ट लाइफ सेशन. एंड द वर्ड इमेजिन, ये एक्सप्लेन करना पेशेंट्स को जरूरी हो जाता है. उनको लगता है इमेजिनेशन मतलब क्या, कुछ भी नहीं. इमेजिनेशन comes from your subconscious mind. It doesn't come from your conscious mind. So allow that imagination to surface. You understanding? So patients को पहले से हर चीज समझनी चाहिए. So you know there are mind waves. EEG has mind waves, brain waves. Beta is when I'm talking to you, wakefulness. Alpha is when you're just doing mild meditation. Alpha state is light trance state. You're listening to everything, ये वो सब light trance state, alpha. Alpha state में generally visual experiences कम होते हैं. So inform the subject that there are 3 kinds of states: light, medium and deep. Light trance state है, you will be listening to everything, my voice also, yeah? And don't worry, just keep listening to my voice. Medium trance में क्या होता है? You move between alpha theta. थोड़ा सा they'll tell you my body's become heavy, है ना? Feeling better, जो भी है. Theta, deep trance. Lower theta, just before sleep, नींद से पहले वाली स्थिति. थीटा स्टेट में विजुअल एक्सपीरियंसेस पॉसिबल है. डेल्टा इज स्लीप स्टेट. सो गए तो गया, देन यू गो इनटू योर ड्रीम वर्ल्ड, है ना. सो माइंड वेव्स के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत उनको आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए, सो दैट दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड. आई एम श्योर यू डू दैट. नाउ परसेप्शन आई टोल्ड यू, विजन, ऑडिटरी, feeling, taste, smell, thought and knowing. How the person is talking. आप पूछते कि what is the ground below your feet like? What is the person saying? उसे पता चल जाएगा कि वो देख रहा है, सोच रहा है, फील कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. That is his predominant sense. Look at this picture. What do you see? What can you see? Monkey. Face. Face. A red Indian face. What else can you see? Change your perception.
Hanuman.
Doll. Hanuman. What can you see? Change your perception from the face. Change your perception.
Captain.
क्या देख सकते हैं?
Snowman. Snowman.
A man
Very good.
wearing a coat, cape. It can be an Eskimo, है ना? With that white, देखिए, change your perception करिए. So you can see that the white thing is like a cap, a hood.
Yes.
देख सकते हैं अभी? हाँ. Because you changed your perception. The first thing that you saw was obvious. Correct? फिर आपने क्या किया? Perception को change किया. Look at this now. First, what do you see? A man playing a trumpet. Then see what happening? Perception change होते. You see a face. Our gestalt or our perception keeps changing. So people will switch from vision to auditory to kinesthetic to tactile during the session. Have you noticed that? People keep switching. So how can past life therapy help us? Insecurity, abandonment, interpersonal relationships, death. आपके जितने subjects होंगे जब उन्होंने अपने आप को एक लाइट के रूप में देख लिया, तो फियर ऑफ डेथ ऑटोमेटिकली गायब हो जानी चाहिए. Working with patients who have cancer or terminal illness is very good, very very good, because they have to get out of that fear before they move. वरना वो fear को लेके आगे बढ़ेंगे. In depression, low self energy, chronic diseases, phobia, guilt, इन सब चीजों के लिए past life therapy बहुत बहुत beneficial है. I'm sure you have seen many of these cases. All this you have done. Let's look at some techniques now. Okay. One is hypnosis, which all of you all are masters in. One is affect bridge technique. What I just described to you about that man is taking the person through pain. Don't have to use hypnosis. That pain itself is hypnosis. तो हमें दर्द होता है, क्या होता है? हमारा ध्यान दर्द पे. We are already in a state of hypnosis, isn't it? The pain has hypnotized us. When we watch TV, what happens? We are completely in a state of hypnosis. घंटी बज रही है पर उठ, we can't get up. अच्छा घंटी बजी थी, सुनाई नहीं दिए. होता है ना ये? So we are living in a hypnotized world. As you are looking at me, you are hypnotized. You can't think of anything else. You understanding? So we live in a hypnotic state. So affect bridge technique जो होती है, उसमें हम आपको पेन के द्वारा, दर्द के द्वारा, फीलिंग के द्वारा, हेडेक है तो हेडेक के द्वारा एंटर दैट स्पेस. Just give the instruction. You are becoming tiny, so small, like a small pinhead, ताचनी की तरह, and you are entering that place. Imagine word you can use important. Imagine you are entering that space, and as you enter that space, I want you to notice the pain and the hurt is becoming more. And as you enter that space, I want you to imagine that you are entering another form, another figure. Imagine you're entering another figure, another form. And as you enter that form is going to become alive. As you enter that form is becoming alive. And as that form becomes alive, I want you to notice the ground below the feet of that body. So the importance of imagination is very, very crucial. To open your subconscious mind, you have to use the process of imagination. Okay? Then we have rebirthing. Rebirthing technique is with the breath. So you get the person to breathe. How? Like this. Sometimes when people are not relaxing their body, they are tensed. Get them to do some breathing. Automatically their body will relax. Okay? Instead of saying focus on your breath and the breath is moving in or forget that. Ask them to breathe. So 4 short and 1 long. So 4 short. करिए. Let me see you all doing it. Without a pause. Stop नहीं करना है. Pause नहीं लेना है. See if there are thoughts in your mind. If your body is feeling more relaxed. You're feeling little dizzy. It's okay. ज्यादा जोर भी नहीं लगाना है, आराम से करना है। See, notice when you're breathing like this, what is happening. So notice your body, whether it's becoming relaxed, the thoughts are becoming empty. So, how are you feeling? So notice how your body is feeling. Lighter, no? Correct.
Yes.
Feel lighter. So instead of doing the whole induction, you can just get them to breathe. And then say, oh, now you become very relaxed. Because he is relaxed. Correct? You don't have to say you are relaxed. He has already got relaxed. So it becomes easy for the mind to accept the suggestion that he is relaxed. Correct? So breathing is a very, very good tool to get a person into that hypnotic state. Then of course body therapy. You must have read of Ulgar. Okay? Massage. Very important sometimes. Sometimes people are just not able to relax. Breathing karo, ye karo, chakkar aa rahe mujhe. All the time they're in their body. Or maybe they have actually physical pain. Then massage karo. Body massage. Yeah? Massage their body. And as you're massaging, say, your feet are getting relaxed. Calf muscles are getting relaxed. Thighs are getting relaxed. You're massaging, but you're also speaking. This also helps many, many people. So to get somebody into that state, certain different techniques need to be done. Okay? So let's look at now the stages of past life therapy. First is identification, where the subject identifies with that past life body. Correct? Then you go through that lifetime, scanning, पूरी लाइफ को स्कैन करते हुए 4-5 जो भी घटनाएं हैं, ओके, उसको स्कैन करना है. Then disidentify at the point of death. Then transformation, we take them to a higher level to meet their spiritual guides. You are transforming that state, leaving behind that pain. Bury that pain. Give the suggestion. Bury that trauma. Bury that guilt. Dafan kar do in that past life body. Don't say past life body, say in that body. And move away. So transformation happens when you move to higher realms, meeting your masters, your guides, with light. Then integrate. How do you integrate? Where you allow that person, we'll do the session, where you allow that person to identify those past life members in this life. You're allowing them to review why they chose them in the first place. So a review has to be done, re-evaluation of that life and this life. What are the insights that you are developing? And once you re-evaluate that life, you create an awareness, a new awareness. So that is in the past. वो खत्म हो गया है. So there are stages with doing the therapy. I've given, if you open your manual, I've given you the induction. So always let the client know that he is in control. Generally हम hypnosis in our work, hypnosis शब्द का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. Because बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में वो एक थॉट है कि हिप्नोसिस का मतलब है हिप्नोटिस्ट मुझे कंट्रोल कर रहा है. इसलिए हिप्नोसिस शब्द का शब्द को हम इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. We say altered states of trance. Alpha is a state of trance, theta is a state of trance. So we say altered state of trance. Because many patients say, I don't want to be hypnotized, but I want to go through a past life session. Because for them, hypnosis ka matlab hai I will control. So we don't use the word hypnosis actually. Now during the induction phase, the use of key words is to be repeated. I told you in the morning about the traps, the beliefs, attitudes, जो भी है, whatever the client is telling me, I am going to reframe it. उसको वापस ठीक ठाक करके मुझे जिस तरह से बोलना है उसको मैं reframe करके वापस client को बोलूँगी while I am doing the induction. Nothing that is not coming from the client must be said. Always say something that the client has told you. The mind accepts it faster. मैंने ऐसा ही कहा. Hypnotist मुझे control नहीं कर रहा है ना? So repeat back what the client has said. Words like slow down, relax, let your mind be receptive, allow your mind to resonate, your mind is aware, how to deepen the state. Keep using these words. There are many other words, many words, but words like this should be used repeatedly. If there is any tenseness, client को अगर थोड़ा तनाव या difficulty महसूस हो रही है, client को आपको बताना चाहिए. समझ रहे हो? Client को एकदम नॉकआउट नहीं करना है अपने को, थोड़ा सा उसको awareness होनी चाहिए, है ना? Like I remember in London recently, I had a woman who came to see me, very difficult. I said, your body is getting heavy and heavier. Normal statement है ना? She's telling me, how heavy should the body be? I have never heard this statement. Anybody telling me this? How heavy should the body be? So I said, heavy. I mean, how heavy it should be, how do I know? किसी को कितना heavy होगा मुझे क्या पता? He said, no, but ma'am, my body is getting heavy, but how heavy should it be? I thought she's going to make the body heavy. So sometimes patients can say some funny things, you know. So I said, नहीं, जितना heavy है उतना ठीक है. Saying नहीं, but मुझे लगता है इतना heavy और heavy होना चाहिए. So obviously her conscious mind was interfering. यार इतना heavy नहीं, hypnosis का मतलब है कि एकदम पत्थर जैसा. So then I also give the suggestion कि तेरा शरीर पत्थर जैसा भारी हो रहा है. Telling me, पत्थर जैसा नहीं है. So sometimes, though we are giving suggestions, some unique clients can be there who are negating you. We are saying heavy, saying I'm not heavy. So sometimes we have to be a little, so we should allow them to talk. Yeah, the session took like 3 hours, you know, because she said it's not heavy. We had to make it more heavy. Then make it more heavy then. Well, how do I make it heavy? I said, I don't know how to make it more heavy. Now, when you are relaxing, yeah, you're becoming heavier or you're becoming relaxed, we keep saying this now. At that time, try and put some visual imagery. Like I said, beginning when I did that, Shanti ki lehre, what did I say? Like the waves in the ocean, आपके शरीर के अंदर प्रवेश कर रहे. तो मैंने इमेज डाल दिया ना, like the waves in the ocean, है ना? इस तरह से when you are talking, you put some imagery. So if we are trying to awaken the visual mind, no? So though he is experiencing bodily relaxation, we are putting also some visual imagery. Okay? So gently, wherever possible, keep putting the visual imagery. So what are the images that you can put? As if the ray of light is coming like liquid pouring on your body. So tactile भी आ गया, vision भी आ गया. So try and combine the script in such a manner that you are putting all the words together. That really, really helps. Okay. Now anchoring is another important procedure. Anchoring का मतलब है what I just explained to you, that go to that part which is in pain. Like I told that boy, allow that pain to increase in your abdomen. So you anchor माने उसको आप फंसा दो माइंड को, थॉट्स को उस एरिया में फंसा दो. फंस गया तो वहां से वो हिलेगा नहीं अभी, है ना. शिप का जैसे एंकर होता है, इसको कहते हैं एंकरिंग फिनोमेना. यू एंकर दैट पर्सन इन दैट एक्सपीरियंस. Now ask the person to go beyond the logical conventional boundary. जैसे मैंने during the उसमें कहा था आपको कि समय और जगह के बंधन को तोड़ो. Go beyond the dimensions of space and time. Then only you can go. So put these words inside your process. And you suggest to them that you can go 10, 20, 1,000 years back. Break that conventional thought process. Cut karo usko at every step. And also you must tell the client, allow what is happening to happen. जो हो रहा है उसे होने दो. अगर रोना आ रहा है, शेक हो रहा है, ट्रेम्बल हो रहा है, शिवर हो रहा है, होने दो. Don't stop. You are crying, cry for 20 minutes, but keep crying. हमारे शो के ऊपर एक लेडी आई थी, fear of water. She was crying and shaking. So from the control room they told me, मैम ये तो मर जाएगी. I said, don't worry. They even called a doctor. कहीं ये सब फेंट नहीं हो गई. But for